when you start getting to where it's short, you don't want to wait until it runs out. Notice the length difference. What you would do with natural fiber, you have no choice but to overlap some here, about a similar length to that. Doesn't have to be perfect. And the longer end over the short. I don't know if you can see that. And you just snug it up and continue the same process. And when working with this particular material, these polyethylene bags, it's beneficial to pull a little bit while you're twisting, and it forces out whatever little tiny pockets of air might be in there, making for stronger rope when you're done. And what do you do with it when you're done? It's really plenty strong enough for most things. I've hung tarps with this. Somewhere down the line, I might use it to weave the seat of a chair. I know it will hold if I do. It's strong enough, and it's one way to use what the uninformed folks of the world would call garbage. You get the idea.